I'm Brooklyn
I'm
Ledford.
Reagan Moore.
Katie Soden.
The cinnamon challenge.
Yes, cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. Is that
Okay,
good?
that's probably good.
Oh. Oh.
Is it good? Is it good? Oh. Slime. Oh, it smells. Oh, the smell. Okay. Oh, God. Is that better? Is it better? It's so spicy. Oh, God. Just spit it out. Oh, God.
I think it got stuck in my wisdom teeth holes.